You lagged and my boat just came to a dead
It just like launched.
Guys, go to the right. Guys, go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right. Go right.
Why? So you can get shot?
Right.
Don't do it.
Yes.
People watching it.
Too bad. We have 2 boats. We look like a heist. Yeah, we literally look like a heist. The fuck do you mean? Don't do it. Oh, nope. Fuck all of y'all. I'm taking that.
You just leave Funky behind.
You crip.
Guys inbound,
Go near them, I'll blow their asses up.
Chase it. Ready? Switch.
Oh, they beached it, they beached it. Oh, there's a treasure chest.
Yes.
Guys, we just passed the treasure chest.
That's where
Go
they
back.
came from.
Where are we beaching? I guess here.
Yep.
Go back. There's a treasure chest.
Dude, it doesn't matter. Hey, fuck, there's people right above us?
Yep.
I mean the goddamn forehead. Alright, worst thing to do right here. Yep, they're in the building. They're on the roof right here.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, there's no one peeking.
Yes, he is. He's peeking from there. Watch this shit. If I get this. Fuck. Knocked one on the roof. You fucking clapped, you loser. Don't steal my kill. I see my loot.
Where the fuck is he?
I killed him on the roof. His body's on the roof. Give me
Oh,
my
he actually
loot.
died?
Yes, he actually died. I killed him. Because he was stupid.
Thought we was
You
really
have to
fast.
say that. We thought we were charging somebody. Find a
Okay,
sniper.
I do not like that. I do not like that. At all. I don't like that. He had a Mosin. What a retard.
Okay, I'm down. There's 3 snipers, one's badly hurt right now.
Oh, I got sniped.
Why can't I see anybody? What the fuck?
Oh, bae. Oh, he's right here on the rock. Right here on the rock. Right here. I'm literally spamming on him. He's bicycling over. He's bicycling.
Got him!
Pick me up! Please! I'm an old grandma. Do watch out. Those
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad! Oh my god, all my armor is like broken.
Yeah, my helmet disappeared.
I hate that guy so much. Can y'all like kill him already?
I have tried.
He's right there. Literally exactly where I'm marked.
I still don't have that kill from that asshole.
You already? Oh! That has a kick. I kind of don't like this gun.
You have to have respect that I managed to kill a whole squad with that thing. Fragging.
Nice fucking nading.
Mothering
moron.
Mosin.
Yeah, he actually is using a Mosin. Nobody has the grenade or something? You know what? Fuck this MG. Y'all guys can have it. I don't want it.
Hey.
It's too much of being a pain in the ass for me. Oh, I could have shot his backpack.
So someone picked up the guy. Knocked.
I want to get the loot, but they're just covering it like fucking
Yeah,
cunts.
they
Oh,
are. That's what they do.
I hit him once. Get fucked, you little cunt. If someone could cover me, I can try to get a grenade from this dead body and chuck it at him.
Actually,
Just spray at him or something. Okay. Okay.
Over.
5.56 ammo, 5.56 ammo, give it to me. Boom.
There's guys
Oh.
coming from northeast. There's guys coming from northeast.
Stock, there's no goddamn medkit, yes.
Whereabouts?
Give me that. SMG,
Um,
okay. How much ammo? Which ammo? Okay.
where to
Wait,
the northeast?
Not the 8 times. Fuck the 8 times. Oh, I actually thought I got hit.
Yeah, this guy's trying to flash me.
They're coming across the water. There's guys way in the back there too.
These guys are bad. We just.
One's dead. I'll tell you that much. There's only him back there.
Wait, really? It's just him? Why don't we just push him?
Because he's also pretty dug in.
I like how this dead body did not have any grenades at all. We do have to move anyways, so let's just rush it at him.
Well, just give me a second here, because he's looking.
Psst, hey, what's up?
Okay. You want to push up to that rock right there?
Yeah. Fucking moron. We killed him.
Nice teamwork. Nice teamwork. I'm sorry I used you as bait, but...
Oh, you actually did? Okay, I thought I was like...
necessary
oh.
evil! Necessary evil!
It is not necessary evil, you're a hypocrite.
Hey! You didn't die, and he did.
What, did you die?
I didn't die. No one died. Everything's cool.
5.56? 5.56.
Yeah, he's got 5.56.
Grenade! Yes!
Yeah, we gotta go. Fuck, we gotta go!
And there's 6 guys coming from behind us.
Yeah. Well, 6 guys, I can cover that. I got 2 8Xs now.
Grenade. Flashbang. Okay, I'm dipping. Bye-bye.
So whoever has a sniper, I can give you another 8X.
Oh, I'm gonna take ammo before I dip though. Need the ammo. I got glider kit anyway, so I'm doing fine.
Unless he gets shot out of the sky.
Press X to doubt. Look at me, look at me. I don't know, that's just a glider kit, just so big. I like below. And I'm in zone.
Okay, who's got a sniper?
I got a G28.
Okay, here's a tactic.
I should have picked up a sniper, god damn it.
Snipers and ARs.
There was a Mosin. Is a Mosin really good?
No!
It's shit.
No!
Is
If
it
you
really-
have the option between a rock and a Mosin, pick up the rock.
Really, is it that bad?
No.
Good for pissing people off.
Haha,
Oh,
fucking idiot.
fucking
Look at
yeah.
him. He's getting tagged.
Which one?
Guys, get ready for storm.
Did anybody else see Dr. Disrespect's
Guys.
ship in the Toronto Raptors game?
Guys, should we push?
Not yet.
Push storm? Really? Oh, I thought you guys were joking. Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, you fucker, I hit you 3 times! Oh, and then Jason fucking drops. Damn it!
Alright, this guy over here is really low. Where are we getting shot at? From east or what?
Yeah, it was northeast. It's where those two guys came through.
Oh,
I
I
was
see.
trying to use the Groza to get kills like an idiot.
Oh my god!
Nice grenade.
You're a goddamn hacker. You know that, right?
No, we're
I'm
just
just
having
really
a
good at
couple
Fluke
hours. Yeah. Normally he can't throw to save his fucking life.
No, that's the first time I've ever killed somebody with a grenade this game. I'm pretty
MP5 better than the Scorpion? Question mark.
sure. No,
Scorpion's better.
Fuck!
What the fuck?
someone's in the house.
There's 4 of them.
Oh yeah, I got someone really low.
Well, there's only 3. Yeah, no.
Ooh, I'm gonna take some smokes. Why does it sound like I'm like gonna do a drug? I'm gonna take
What
some
the
smoke.
fuck you assholes doing?
They're jerking off. What's so wrong about that?
There's no guys back where you two are.
Yeah, no, I was looting healing.
Wait, how did
I
Robin
got
die?
one first aid kit.
Wait, how did Robin die?
There was 3 guys standing in the window I was running towards, and they all
You
popped
two
up
were
at the same
jacking
time.
off in the corner.
Wow. So like, they clapped your cheeks basically.
Attention everyone. This helicopter will only stay for a short period of time.
So you guys have 1 squad against you.
Please board
Squad of
as soon
3.
as possible.
Or 4.
I repeat, there are only 4 seats. Please board as soon as possible.
One went left. I'm not sure where.
All right, I'm gonna glide over there.
Okay,
All right,
there's
so it's
guys
a
there.
3v3, right? It's a 3v3. Oh, there's a guy gliding. There's a guy flying. Whee! Into dance. There was a guy gliding over to heli, so we'll watch out.
Yeah,
Where the fuck
there's
are all these
guys
nades?
there.
Oh, yeah, they're smoking it. They're gonna go up the ladder. Get ready, get ready.
Yeah, I know, I already know.
Oh, person in the house, person on the roof, person on the roof right here.
I don't see him.
So it's a 3v2v1. That's the look of it. It's right here. He's right here. I'm crawling away. Says the thing. Can you try to pick me up before the freaking ash comes and it kills me quicker? Please.
I can't see him. I don't have
Please.
any grenades to cover.
Please. Oh no! Watch out!
Yup.
Where's Blackenfier?
Can I have fucking cover?
I am.
Someone has to revive me. And I'm dead. I had really good loot if you want it. Why is there a person in the goddamn house? Oh, heli! Ladder! Yes. Good shit. Last one's to your right. In the house.
No, it's just us.
Oh yeah, it is.
Hey,
What the hell? How did the other two die?
I killed them.
Oh.
I shot them both out of the heli.
No, but the dude in the house.
Nope, he flew out.
3 spots.
He was the last one off the heli.
All personnel on board, prepare for takeoff.